wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best dog ramps for boats. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7. The open frame on the waterdog adventure gear LM6H can help mitigate some of the force of surrounding water currents as your dog returns to your vessel. Its independently adjustable aluminum struts accommodate a variety of hull shapes. It floats if dropped overboard and comes with reversible hooks, but its rubber feet fall off easily. At number 6. Made from aluminum and stainless steel, the beavertail dog ladder offers a folding, two-way adjustable design that hooks quickly onto most boats, making it easy for your four-legged companion to safely disembark. It's a durable construction with non-slip rubber arms for stability. However, it is rather narrow. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the 3-step pet loader H2O XL is equipped with an extended arm that's compatible with pontoon and fiberglass boats that sit approximately 19 inches above the waterline. It flips up when not in use and can also attach to a pool deck, but it is very expensive. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dog ramps for boats, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, thanks to raised edges, the Extreme Max undermount allows for quick and safe shore-to-pontoon loading and unloading of heavy cooler equipment, pets, children, and adults. A 2-year warranty comes with it. It's corrosion-resistant and good for bunk-style trailers. However, it does have a rather steep incline. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Good for use on a dock or shoreline, the Harbour-Mate aluminum extends to over 7 feet and supports a weight of up to 600 pounds, making it a dependable choice for loading the entire family and heavy supplies. The mounting brackets are compatible with most pontoon boats. The frame is rust-proof and is very easy to install. It's a lightweight design. At number 2, the Great Day load-a-pup is equipped with safety ridges to ensure that large dogs have a solid footing whenever they re-enter the vessel after a swim. It's made of aircraft-grade aluminum and can hook onto most boarding ladders. It's collapsible for easy storage and portability. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Snagle Paw Pet Stairs sports a lightweight foldable design that makes it easy to transport and store. A non-slip rubber coating provides plenty of traction in wet environments. It supports over 100 pounds and is also good for trucks with high beds. It includes a carrying bag. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for dog ramps for boats, or simply click beneath this video.